Hey guys, Mikey's Rotary here. So my clutch fan on my daily isn't quite engaging when it's warm or anything. It's not blowing enough air, and I can see it's getting kind of hot. It's not overheating, but it's a little hotter than I want it to and what it's used to do. So I'm gonna swap out the clutch fan. You guys get a watch. There's really just these 4 10 mil bolts, and then the clutch will just pop right off. 8045, you got to take out the fan shroud with the fan. The fan just does not want to fit through this little area. The 79 to 83, this will just flop right out right here. It'll pull right out. I don't have to touch this. Otherwise, just those 4. And I usually jam this in right here and kind of pry over a little bit to break those loose. So with all the 4 bolts out, it pops off and it'll fit through here. Like I said, the 8045s don't quite fit through that gap, at least every time I've tried to work on them. And they are a little different. The 8045s, from this bolt to this bolt's like a 1/4 inch longer apart. So they don't quite fit on this adapter. They're 79 to 83. Now the hard part. Which one do I pick? Just a nice little oomph is all you need, nothing crazy. So a good clutch fan, when you turn it on, when it's cold, it'll woo for a minute and then stop. And then of course when it's warm, it should just be blowing air. So let's start this thing and see what this one does. So it seems like this one's a little more always engaged than normal, but I don't really care. The other one wasn't engaging at all when it was warm. This one cold, I mean, freaking blows like it should. So I'm gonna leave it. I mean, it's probably gonna engage a little more when it's warm. Like right now, you don't really hear the fan too much, but when it's warm, I think it'll probably engage a little more. But even right now, that should be, I mean, it's blowing, especially when RPM comes up. That's what I want. And that's how you pull a clutch fan out of a 79 to 85 RX-7. Hopefully that helped you guys with your projects. Take it easy. Hey guys, I want to give a big shout out to Daniel at Deeport Rotary, deportrotary.com. He's got a lot of cool stuff going on. He's down in Vegas. And Mazda Official on YouTube. He's got a lot of cool stuff. He always posts a lot of fun stuff. I want to give a big thanks to all my friends, everyone across the States, in the UK, Australia. I met a lot of really cool people doing all this. This is so cool for me to be able to part these cars out and stuff and actually kind of make a living and keep my family afloat with it. But I do want to thank all my friends, all the people I've run across so far, up in Canada, I mean, across the world. You guys have all been super cool. I really appreciate every single one of you. Catch you later.